Let's just do part 2.
Nah.
No, let's do part 2.
No, we're not doing a part 2 of this episode, Jasmine. It's not an episode. It's not a series. We're not making a hiking part 2.
Okay, let's do another video.
So, we decided to get ready for, money for lemonade. Yeah, we get it, Jasmine.
Oh, nice. Money.
So we've decided to walk down and walk all the way back. And that's boring, right? So instead, we're going to talk about it. Ooh, look at those pretty flowers. I just lost my mind here. What is that?
Trying to
I just grabbed a big piece of it. Look. Goes all the way down to the stump. Got it. Imagine if someone is chasing us. Like, there's someone over there. Someone over there. Let's just keep taking a walk. Not worry about that person watching us over there.
I want to FaceTime that dude.
We're not FaceTiming him. We don't even know that.
FaceTime.
He's weird. I don't know him. There's a creepy guy across the street from our house. I see him going to our house. Slap him in the face, Jess. Slap him with your weeds. Dang, Jess.
Imagine someone just slapping you
With the
weed. And then they just run as fast as they can. And you never catch up to them.
So I'm not watching where I'm going because I'm recording, obviously. I never watch where I'm going when I'm recording. So,
Well, just watch out, okay?
okay.
Oh,
So, since we took a walk and
I don't see him use the med kit.
scrapes all over me. Yeah, we did pack a med kit. Let's go. Just go over here. Hope there's a lot of more caterpillars. Because a couple seconds ago, our old videos went by.
Wait, the magical
Some-
hike of the day.
Okay. Hi, it's us. I know, I was recording this video all by myself. Just kidding. I had a friend with me. We're Mimi her real look. She was spending the night. And we should have made a video last night called Staying Up All Night, because we did.
Yeah, we
And we disturbed everyone in the village. I think I think you're losing your mind, Jasmine. So yeah, end of video. What are you putting all over the screen? Trying to show you these things. Those are fronds and little flowers. Put those. It was this. Okay, we're done. Okay, bye.